Hey friends, Dr. Hampton here, and today we're talking snacks. Now, as many of you know, I'm a carnivore. I like to keep it simple. Give me a ribeye, a pinch of salt, and I'm all good. But I live in a house with someone who's a little more snacky. That someone is my wife, Karan, and she's a ketovore. If you're not familiar, ketovore means mostly carnivore, but a little more flexibility. Maybe some broccoli, maybe some yellow squash, maybe a tiny bit of seasoning or sauce that wouldn't qualify as 100% carnivore. So today's video is personal. I'm on a mission to find carnivore snacks that work for both of us. Snacks that are still rooted in metabolic health, still fat burning friendly, but bring some fun and variety into the mix. But let me be real, I'm a busy doctor. I don't have time to make carnivore cupcakes out of bone broth foam. But I do know that if we're going to make this way of eating sustainable, especially for families or mixed households like ours, we need options. That's why I'm sharing my top 10 carnivore-friendly snacks, curated for both the strict meat lovers and the ketovore curious. These are snacks that are nutrient-dense, simple, and honestly pretty fun. Then at the end, I'm going to turn it over to you, because I need your help filling in the gaps. So stick around and let's snack smarter. Let's start with one of my newest favorites. Number 1, crispy egg yolk bites. Boil the eggs, take out the yolks, and either air fry or bake them until golden and crispy. They're crunchy, satisfying, and packed with choline and fat-soluble vitamins. Plus, you don't need a culinary degree to make them. Your inner nerd and your taste buds will both approve. Number 2, pan-fried cheese. Slice it, sear it, and you've got a chewy, salty, satisfying treat. Of course, if you tolerate dairy, and my wife definitely does. This one's a winner. Think grilled cheese without the bread. Number 3, bone broth scoops, chilled or roasted. This one's luxurious. After roasting bones, scoop out the marrow and chill it. Spread it on a cold slice of ribeye or eat it by the spoon like carnivore butter. Fatty, rich, and deeply nourishing. Number 4, smoked salmon belly bites. Salmon belly is basically the ribeye of the sea. More fat, more flavor, and full of omega-3s. Number 5, cheese crisps, baked into a crispy chip. No flour, no fillers, a perfect bridge snack for ketovores who want crunch without the carbs. My wife eats these with a smile. I just watch her and pretend my ribeye is crunchy too. Number 6, carnivore egg tacos. Take one egg, fry it very thin, and roll it up with meat or cheese. You get the satisfaction of a wrap, minus the wheat, the bloat, and the blood sugar crash. Kid-friendly too. Number 7, chicken skins. I use a company called Flock. We've all heard about pork rinds, but have you tried chicken skins? They're salty, crunchy, and addictive. The Flock brand got me hooked. This is my version of potato chips, but with protein. Number 8, carnivore crisp or meat chips. Air-dried slices of beef liver or chicken. Crunchy, shelf-stable, and clean. When you want a snack that's quick and satisfying, these are a solid option. Great for travel or clinic days. Number 9, deviled eggs but carnivore style. No relish, no mustard. Just yolks mashed with tallow or butter and topped with crispy bacon. Elegant, easy, and very metabolically friendly. Number 10, whipped beef tallow. Carnivore dip. Whip up some tallow until it's light and fluffy. Then use it as a dip. Meat sticks, egg bites, chicken skins, it works on everything. It's like frosting for carnivores. Number 11, beef suet nuggets. Cut suet into chunks. Air fry it until the outside is golden and crisp. You get a hit of stearic acid, which some believe supports fat burning and mitochondrial health. Here's your bonus. They're ridiculously satisfying. Number 12, duck fat roasted cracklings. Crispy duck skin rendered in its own fat. It's like gourmet bacon chips, but richer, crispier, and full of flavor. Hard to find, but worth it. Number 13, scrambled egg bites with butter. My lovely wife introduced me to this one. Whisked eggs, poured into muffin tins, baked with butter and ghee. These are portable, meal prep friendly, and perfect for kids or spouses who need something quick and tasty. And by the way, you can also add sausage and bacon as well. Number 14, cold sliced ribeye or roast beef. Leftover steak sliced thin makes for a perfect cold snack. No prep, no excuses. Just grab and go. It's like ribeye Lunchables for grown-ups. And number 15, tuna or sardines in olive oil. Shout out to Dr. Boz for this one. High in omega-3s, low in carbs, and shelf-stable. It's a great on-the-go snack, especially if you're traveling or need something to stash in your car or your office drawer. All right, those are my top 15 carnivore snacks, built to work for both me and my Ketovore queen. And now, I need your help. What's your go-to carnivore or Ketovore snack? What's helped you stay on track without getting bored? What snack do you look forward to every day? Drop it in the comments. Seriously, I've been down there reading and learning right along with the rest of you. And if you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the playlist and description for more videos on how to heal your metabolic health, one bite at a time. Because at the end of the day, whether you're 100% carnivore, ketovore, or just curious, it's about finding what works for you without sacrificing health, simplicity, or joy. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it delicious, and keep protecting your nest.